Good morning, sir, madam. I'm Robelin Pabuaya, 20 years of age, and I'm single. We are the second in the family. I'm graduated at the high school graduate at Liloy National High School. I am a Catholic. I'm work experience in Dubai. My job is cleaning the house, cook simple food, and I'm willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to market, I wash dishes and clothes, mop the floor. I prepare school uniform for kids and help them in the assignment. My hobbies are watching TV, listening to music, and cooking. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like that, like you are. Sir, madam, if you choose me as one of your housemaids, I will do my duties and responsibility. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon, sir. Thank you.